Special thank you to our SkyMile Medallion members. Your business and loyalty are greatly appreciated. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened whenever the seatbelt sign is on. Even if the sign is off, please keep your seatbelt fastened in case you experience any unexpected rough air. Also remember to use caution opening the overhead bins to prevent injuries. Many items may have shifted during takeoff. Please be reminded that federal regulations prohibit use of networks during flight. This includes any voice or video calls. When it is safe to do so, flight attendants will be in the aisles to conduct our complimentary beverage and snack service for you. We do have a very limited amount of time with you. We would like to accommodate as many of your fellow passengers with a drink and a snack. So we please ask that if you would like a drink or a snack, you do have your tray table down, your earbuds out, and your selection ready for us. Your drink options are Coca-Cola products, juice, we have apple, orange, or cranberry, as well as water or coffee. If you would like cream or sugar drink coffee, please let us know how many of each one ordering. Once again, that's Coca-Cola products, juice, water, or coffee. Your complimentary snacks are Biscoff cookies, almonds, a granola bar, or stuffed chips. That's Biscoff cookies, almonds, a granola bar, or stuffed chips. Please keep the aisle clear of any potential trip hazards around you. We will be coming through the aisle shortly with 2 very heavy beverage carts. At this time, we invite you to sit back, relax, enjoy the rest of our 1 hour and 15-minute flight with us. Thank you for choosing Delta Airlines. Welcome on board.